Welcome to Honyok Honeybees. I'm Eric, and today I want to talk to you about a package install. It's January currently while we're videoing this, and there are no packages. But we want to show you just basically the simple setup of how we would do it. Got a 5-frame newt. We got our entrance reduced, and we got our frames in here. We got a frame of plastic and a starter strip, and then with a plastic starter strip and a plastic. Now if you want to guarantee that these bees aren't going to go anywhere, you can take a plastic out, and maybe you can find a beekeeper that'll give you some wax. Maybe you have some of your own. But anyway, put that down in the middle, and that is just kind of added insurance that they won't fly out on you. We're going to cover the cold weather install today, and Don Kuchenmeister was showing us over at his apiary what he does. But basically, you have your queen, and make sure she's alive when you get her out of the box. And once you see that she's running around in here just fine, you need to lay her across the frames with the screen side up. Don was saying when it's cold out, he was shaking packages. It was 25 degrees, and when you put them in between the frames like the boxes are designed for, you can they set in there like that, and a lot of times they leave them face down. There's not enough room there for them to cluster and really keep her warm. So if you caught another cold night, there's a chance that she wouldn't make it. So what he's showing us is lay that queen cage across the top of the frames just like that, and set a shaker box. This one's a medium box, and just set that down right on top. And then basically you get your bees, and you got your 2 or 3 pounds of bees right here, and you shake those in this box. Set your package down there on the ground, and then get your feeder and cover it up quickly. One thing about the feeder, this is where on your packages there's a can of syrup that goes in this big hole, and you take that syrup and pop a hole in it and pour it into this tub, and allows those bees to go ahead and have something to eat right away. And you keep your keep it all set up just like this for about 4 days, and then you take this off and get in here, and that's when you'll remove this. There'll be a decent chance that there might be some burr comb on here, so be kind of prepared for tags when you pick up off of here to kind of pick it up, nice and square. Don't kind of just pick it up and slide it off, because you might harm your queen if she's happened to be on that. So basically just take it off, and then kind of flip it upside down, kind of look it over, make sure it's okay. Take off your shaker box, and then you get down to your queen cage. There'll be some bees on there. Just get them up, pick it up, take a look, make sure she's released. Make sure she's out of this and walking freely. If she's not, you can pull a cork out and just go ahead and direct release her down into the frames. And then once you realize she's running on the frames and everything is good, get your feeder back on and cover it up. It's that simple, and it won't be long. You'll have a 5-frame of bees ready to go. So thanks for watching Honyok Honeybees. Honyok.